Pick your cable, cut according to the size you want to cut. Then take your clipping tool or your press plier. Use this small this and put your cat5 cable roller. Peel the cable out. When you peel am, you straighten am. You go see small white cord when you cut am. So when you cut am, the next thing you go do, you straighten the cable. You go see the color code. With that color code, because of the strike through cable wey dey do, you go collect the color code according to how the cable dey. You go see stripe orange, orange, stripe green, you take blue, stripe blue, you take green, then stripe brown, you take brown. When you collect them finish, you arrange them accordingly. Then when you arrange them, the next thing you need to do, straighten am very well. When you straighten am, pick up your clipping tool, cut am so that e go dey straight and equal. Once you cut am, the next way you go do, pick up your RJ45 cable jack, you put am inside straight. When you do am, you pick up your clipping tool, you press am. When you press am, e go make sound. When the sound come out, then you know say yes, e don dey okay. Then you turn to next side, repeat the same thing. Okay guys, here our straight through cable is ready. For similar videos, follow us on Facebook, Baron Information Technology. Thank you.